Hello and welcome to another Indie Football Podcast quiz segment episode 3.
के अलावा कौन है भाई चेल्सी वाला? वो याद करो ना।
ले
कोई नहीं, चलो।
आई थिंक प्रथमेश फ्रीज हो गया शायद वापस।
that's my answer.
चले गए।
अरे
गंदा सा दिखा मैंने।
आंसर सुन के डिस्कनेक्ट हो गए भाई।
आज हमारे साथ बहुत सारे लोग हैं। आज हमारे साथ दर्शन भाई है, आज हमारे साथ हमारे होस्ट और सबके दोस्त प्रथमेश भाई है, आज हमारे साथ एक बहुत ही बड़े सुपरस्टार है, आजकल बहुत ही बड़े एंकर बन चुके हैं, डेल्विन भाई है हमारे साथ, जो एक यूनाइटेड फैन है, इकलौते यूनाइटेड फैन है इस पैनल में, एंड वी हैव गॉट दिव्या अर्जुन हियर. सो गाइज वेलकम टू द क्विज सेगमेंट. ये वैसे प्रथमेश भाई का सेगमेंट है, मैं कभी कभी इंट्रोड्यूस कर देता हूँ. सो एनीवे, हाउ इज एवरीवन?
We're good, bro. We're good.
I have found my breath once again after we got the first 3 points of our season. So we are
Ten Hag got sacked, by the way.
He's not my manager, so I don't care anymore. I am happy about the fact that we are on the top half of the table. That's progress, guys. That's progress.
सही है भाई, मतलब आप देखो टॉप ऑफ द टेबल, मगर भले ही सेकंड टेबल के हो, मगर हाँ चलो
नहीं, हम 9th पे है भाई, हम 9th पे है, हम टॉप
अच्छा
टेबल
हाँ,
में है।
अरे अपने फर्स्ट टेबल में हो भाई, बिल्कुल एकदम बढ़िया। तो
सही है. Anyway, Prathamesh bhai, I think we can begin the quiz now that
Yes.
it's been started on a good lighter note.
All right. So, welcome to the third episode of IFP Quiz. I hope all of you are aware about the format. So, let's begin with the quiz. So, I'll just tell you the order. So, Delvin Bhai will be the first person in the line, then followed by Darshan, and then Anukash, and then Divya Arjun. Okay? So, the first question will be for Delvin. Okay, let's go.
Got it.
So here's question number 1. So X scored the first ever goal in an FA Cup final in the new Wembley Stadium, which proved to be the winner against Manchester United in 2007. And X is also widely regarded as one of the best footballers ever from his continent. So you have to name X. This is for Delvin.
X scored the first ever goal. Okay, the new Wembley, which is the current Wembley, which proved to be the winner against Man United in 2007. X is widely regarded as one of the best footballers ever from his continent. Who is X? Who did we lose to in the FA Cup final against 2007? Was it Arsenal? If it was Arsenal.
Sledging कर सकते हो guys, by the way. Anyway.
2007 में था कौन आपका? आप वो सोचो ना कि कौन गोल स्कोरर था उस टाइम का।
दर्शन भाई को ये बताया लगता है आंसर.
नहीं, मुझे नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं पता, मगर मैं सिर्फ गैस कर
So
रहा था।
workable. Workout कर सकते हो. I
Is
don't
the-
want anyone to know this, but it's workable.
If there's no negative marking for a wrong answer, right?
There's no negative
Got
marking.
it. One of the best footballers ever from his continent. Now, if we're talking about continent, I'm pretty sure we'll not be talking about Europe. So
You never
We
know.
may be or we might not be.
हाँ, क्यों नहीं भाई, ट्राई करो, शूट योर
कुछ भी हो
शॉट
सकता
मैन।
है.
I'll go with Drogba.
Oh, that's a great answer, Delvin Bhai. It is correct.
Yeah.
बिल्कुल।
Amazing.
Damn.
अच्छा.
Shit.
वाह यार.
Yeah. So
मुझे पता
Drogba
है
scored the
यार,
winner. It was 1-0.
कोई
United fans stop there.
It was either Drogba or a South American guy. So because when we talk
Yeah.
about continents, we don't talk about Europe in general. So
भाई
Yes.
मेरे दिमाग में
Greatest
वो
South
South
American
American
I guess have not played in the Premier League.
yeah.
Most of them. Yeah. So this is for Darshan. Okay, so question 2. X is a footballer whose father was also a footballer from a former Soviet country. And his father's first name is the same as a famous play by Shakespeare. So you have to name X or his father, whichever one you want to name. Okay, it's the same thing basically. Like basically name the surname and then you'll get it. So that guy is the father. I'm not sure whether the kid is X or some other kid, but that guy is the father in the picture.
ये तो भाई मुझे पता नहीं क्यों मुझे ऐसे मिल रहा है भाई। शेक्सपियर का मुझे कहाँ को क्या पता हो, मतलब
So famous वाला है, मतलब like not some obscure Shakespeare play, like a very famous play.
फेमस शेक्सपियर प्ले।
Every Shakespeare play is famous, by the way.
Yeah, that is also. उसको ध्यान से देखो दर्शन भाई, किसके जैसा लग रहा है. Even the player that we are talking about looks a bit similar to that guy in the picture. Face ध्यान से देखो उसका.
I think the time of the photo also gives it away a bit.
That's a good way to look at it.
नहीं यार मैं पास करूंगा, मुझे नहीं पता चला।
एक वाइल्ड गैस ले सकते हैं.
हाँ
कोई आइडिया नहीं है भाई मुझे।
Okay,
ये
no problem.
चेहरा भी नहीं दिख रहा मुझे, मतलब याद भी नहीं है।
his father first name is the यार मतलब this guy looks a bit like Edwin van der Sar पर वो है नहीं, तो I guess वो तो नहीं है.
Okay, no, Edwin van der Sar is not the one. Divyarjun, do you have a guess?
Is it
Unlike
Arshavin?
Netherlands.
Is it?
Arshavin?
No, it is not Arshavin, but that's a very good guess. You are on the
Yeah,
right
I
track.
think I guess by the hairstyle or the eye color.
Okay, okay. It's not Arshavin though.
Delvin
Delvin,
भाई
it
की
comes
बात
to
है.
you.
हाँ
Okay, so let me just name a few Shakespeare plays. There is Othello. I don't think anyone's name starts from Othello. No player. Father's for no Othello. Macbeth, no. Too English. Caesar, Julius, no. Julius Caesar, no, not really. Then there
अगर
is.
अगर किसी को नहीं आया तो क्या होगा, मतलब देखो
I'll give a
हम
hint.
चारों
आपसे बता देंगे.
वो हिंट
I'll give a hint.
अगर मुझे
After
नहीं
the hint,
आएगा
it will
तो
be very easy.
वापस आपको हिंट मिल जाएगा. हाँ. Former Soviet nation.
Okay,
Is this
I'll give the hint after.
is this wait
Delvin
is
answers.
this is ex Henrik Mkhitaryan?
Oh my God, Delvin is on a roll, man. It is Henrik Mkhitaryan.
भाई साहब अच्छा हाँ अच्छा हाँ
And his
right
father
right
is named Hamlet Mkhitaryan. This would have been the hint. His career path.
भाई bravo nice nice.
हाँ ये कहाँ
Nice
से पता
question,
होगा,
by the
मगर
way.
हाँ
यार, बड़ा अच्छा
ग्रेट
question.
गैस भाई, बहुत ही बढ़िया।
So yeah, there you see.
Nice,
It's
nice.
Hamlet.
Good ball knowledge.
So question 3 again goes to Darshan. Okay. So that's
Darshan.
Brian Robson at Middlesbrough in 1994. So you have to explain what's going on in the picture. Basically, why is he wearing a blazer and a shorts?
वो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मैनेजर भी बना है और प्लेयर भी है, तो शायद
Yeah,
इसलिए।
that's exactly what I was looking for. That is absolutely correct.
Wow.
Yes.
Yeah, nice, nice.
He was
Pressure
unveiled as
pumping
the
up.
player manager in 1994 while he was playing for the
Nice.
club.
Very, very good observation. Good observation.
Nice.
Yeah. So question
Okay.
4 goes to Anukarsh.
Anukarsh.
Okay.
हाँ,
So you have to basically tell me who wore the number 25 for Chelsea before Moises Caicedo. It's a difficult question, but let's try.
हाँ. I'm just thinking जब काइसेडो गया था तब
Okay,
Yeah,
one hint I'll
Ramirez
give right
था.
away. One hint I'll give right
Ramirez.
away. Sorry.
Ramirez.
No, not Ramirez.
Ramirez. अभी कहाँ खेल
रामिरेस
रहा
का
है?
7 था ना।
7. हाँ.
Is it my turn?
Anukarsh भाई एक hint दे दो क्या? या
बताओ.
you want to try again after the hint?
हाँ बताओ.
Or no, actually I'll give it later after one round. Okay.
ठीक है.
Let's go to Divyarjun.
हाँ ये दिव्यार्जुन
Is
को
it-
जाएगा ना।
Moses,
हाँ,
Victor
दिव्यार्जुन
Moses?
को जाएगा.
Victor Moses?
No, not Victor Moses. Good shot. Liverpool का लोन पे आया था.
I remember यार.
Yeah,
जब
I
आया था
remember
दो गोल
signing
मारे
mega
मैंने.
FIFA career
बहुत
mode. He was a
गंदा
good
खेला था
player.
भाई लिवरपूल के लिए.
हाँ, but I remember he scored a brace in his first match and I was so happy कि
Yeah.
भाई ये तो बहुत चलेगा.
Yeah.
हाँ, वो और आसपास शायद एक साथ आए थे.
Yeah.
हाँ
No, actually
आसपास
last
मतलब-
day पे मोजेस साखो और वो टियागो इलोरी तीनों आए थे.
If you only knew the future, उस समय मोइसेस के साथ कोई एक इजिप्शियन प्लेयर भी शायद खेलते थे.
उनको कौन सा मिल सकता है भाई?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So Delvin,
Is it Conor Gallagher?
no, it's not Conor Gallagher.
गैलेगर नहीं है।
गैलिगर
No.
का नंबर क्या था वैसे? Just
याद नहीं भाई।
हाँ, yeah.
यार
दर्शन
26
भाई।
होता तो इजी रह जाता, 26 वाला। ये 25 मुझे
कौन
याद
था
है।
26?
टेरी.
26 तो टेरी था, 26 तो टेरी।
हाँ
नहीं, उसके बाद फिर कूलीबाली था, बिकॉज उसने टेरी से परमिशन लेके फिर 26 जर्सी पहनी थी।
अच्छा,
Oh.
हाँ।
अच्छा
25 के लिए वाइल्ड गैस जा सकते हैं हम। वैसा कांटे ने 7 पहना था, मगर शायद ऐसा भी हो कि एक बार 25 पहना हो फिर 7 किया हो, ऐसा हो। मैं थोड़ा सोच रहा हूँ यहाँ पे।
अगर आप डाउनलाइन करो मिडफील्डर या अटैकर या ऐसा,
हाँ,
और
हिंट दे दो भाई। अब हिंट दे दो, कोई बात नहीं।
just to
5
run,
पॉइंट कम
just to
मिलेंगे,
run.
कोई बात नहीं।
It's
Yeah, so he was voted as the greatest Chelsea player ever in 2003, and he is Italian, so it hasn't been won for quite a while. So it's not a recent player.
अच्छा, what is the greatest 2003 and
ग्रेटेस्ट
अच्छा
चेल्सी प्लेयर।
अरे यार.
This is a very easy giveaway. This is such an easy giveaway.
is.
Now I feel embarrassing.
It is.
Like, you have,
हाँ, अब तो मुझे भी।
This is such an easy. और मैंने गैलेगर बोल दिया भाई।
मैं भी क्या बोला, मतलब अगेन यार हमें यार कैसे। चलो कोई बात नहीं अनुकर्ष भाई।
आपने जैसे डेल्विन में बोला ना कि कोलिबाली ने टेरी से परमिशन लेके पहना था, सिमिलरली काइसेडो वाज आल्सो गिवन ब्लेसिंग्स बाय दिस प्लेयर टू वेयर नंबर 25.
हाँ,
This Italian is synonymous with Chelsea, by the way. Like
It is. It is.
he is known for his stint with Chelsea more than any other team that he's played for.
Yes.
यार बहुत ऑब्वियस आंसर होगा, मुझे बता रहा हूँ, बहुत ना समझने वाला है।
It is
हाँ,
a very obvious answer. Very obvious answer.
एक्चुअली
was
अभी
also-
थोड़ी देर पहले हम ड्रॉगबा की बात कर रहे थे ना। ड्रॉगबा के अलावा कौन है भाई चेल्सी वाला, वो याद करो ना।
2600 में देख रहा हूँ यार फुटबॉल, उससे पहले
कोई नहीं, चलो।
एक सेकंड, जस्ट गिव मी 1 मिनट, उसके बाद बताता हूँ।
Yes. Sure. Take your time.
वो नहीं यार, पास करना पड़ेगा, बिल्कुल
ऐसा वाइवा में होता है भाई।
हाँ,
Okay, कोई बात नहीं भाई, कोई बात नहीं.
बिल्कुल हिट नहीं कर रहा। हाँ,
So Divyajun, go for it.
Zola?
Yeah, it is Gianfranco
Yes.
Zola.
Oh bloody hell!
Correct.
हाँ,
Absolutely correct.
Right.
He's a staff member now, na? बीच में he was.
Yeah, I guess so. Yeah.
ठीक
By the
है,
way,
scores
this
बता
guy
दो।
was regarded as one of the most handsome footballers ever.
Yeah.
In some poll that it
All
has.
the Italians, particularly.
हाँ, सभी इटालियन
Yeah.
को ये बोल देते हैं।
Calafiori देख लो आज.
जियोवानी लियोनी को।
Calafiori actually में handsome है भाई.
हाँ,
अरे अभी के टाइम पे तो सारे इटालियंस आर हैंडसम एज हेल यार. लाइक
Especially Chiesa.
भले गेम एकदम फालतू कचरे वाली क्यों ना हो इनकी,
चिएजा। हाँ,
बट
मारियो बालोटेल्ली के बारे में ऐसा नहीं बोल सकते लेकिन.
नहीं, मैं इसके लिए मैंने
I'm not a
इसीलिए
racist.
मैंने इसीलिए मैंने इसीलिए मैंने अभी का बोला ना भाई. अभी का बोला भाई.
अच्छा प्रथमेश भाई स्कोर्स बता दो एक बार, क्योंकि फिर वो ना
हाँ,
easier
scores.
मतलब, हाँ, ये बाद में थोड़ा
Yes.
एडिटिंग वगैरह
So
में easier।
first two were given by Delvin, na? So Delvin is on 20,
ठीक है।
and then the third one was given by. किसने दिया था भाई?
मैंने बोला था भाई, वो मैनेजर और प्लेयर वाला।
हाँ, ब्रायन रॉबसन वाला.
Brian Robson वाला. Correct. So Darshan bhai is on 10 and
दिव्यार्जुन is on 5. I think प्रथमेश फ्रीज हो गया शायद वापस.
हाँ, मुझे वही लग रहा है।
Delvin, this is for you. Next question.
Yeah.
So question number 5. So this iconic French footballer Michel Platini, who has also won 3 Ballon d'Ors in a row, has a unique feat of playing for two different national teams. So you have to basically name which country he played other than France.
Okay, this. I know he's played for an Asian country. It's an Asian country, but mm,
You have actually given away a hint if you are not able to answer this.
yeah, it is an Asian country. No, I'm 100% sure because I read about this.
Yeah, but you have given away a hint to others if you get this
Mm.
wrong.
Yeah, I'm stuck between two. I'm stuck between two countries. I'll go on a limb and just say Kuwait. I'll say
It is
Kuwait.
Kuwait. It is Kuwait.
It is.
नाइस
Shit.
भाई, यूनाइटेड वाला कुछ तो है भाई यहाँ पे.
It was either
Black magic.
it was Kuwait or Saudi. So
I was thinking
This
Algeria.
would have been the hint.
I like the hint.
ये hint था. So basically, he came out of retirement for this one game, friendly game, where he was invited by the ruler of Kuwait to play for Kuwait.
Okay.
Yeah.
सही है भाई.
So
दूसरी कौन सी थी?
दूसरी फ्रांस, मतलब
अच्छा हाँ, मतलब दो ही है वैसे.
दो ही
वैसे
है, दो ही
फ्रेंच प्लेयर अल्जीरिया के लिए बहुत खेलते हैं ना, जिडान है जैसे, अब बेंजीमा का भी.
हाँ.
तो आई वाज,
हाँ.
बट अल्जीरिया इज नॉट एशियन वैसे, बट
Platini was like a proper French-born French
Yeah,
guy.
ethnic French. Yeah.
yeah, that makes it more
So
interesting.
yes, exactly. So Darshan bhai, this is for you. How do we know this club better as? Delvin is smiling.
Oh,
ये तो यूनाइटेड है ना. 11 मतलब
It is
Manchester
Manchester
United.
United.
हाँ,
ये तो बहुत
ये
easy.
हाँ.
So answer slide reveal करना भाई. So it is not Manchester.
Really?
It is United.
सही है भाई, एकदम सही है.
Okay.
सही है.
So Anukash bhai, this is for you. So
ठीक है, इज्जत वाला क्योंकि ये guys, let's go.
लंबा
Wide.
question है. Yeah,
ठीक है.
workable by the way. Okay, so while home advantage is considered as a significant factor in football, nowhere is the contrast as stark as seen in Bolivia. So you can see their record in the qualifiers of 2022 World Cup. So they have won 4 games out of 18, only 4 games. But all 4 of these have come at home. So वो away games एक भी नहीं जीते. And whatever they win, it is at home. So what do you think is the major advantage that they get at home, Bolivia?
Like what factor advantage, मतलब जनरली टीम को जो होम पे जीतेगी एडवांटेज क्या मिलेगा, बोलिविया को क्या एडवांटेज मिला, ये है. What's the
Bolivia,
second one,
Bolivia,
as-
specific to
yeah.
Bolivia.
It is
अच्छा,
yes.
it's not a sporting
No.
related.
No. It is.
It is. I'll give you the hint right away. Actually, the hint is like think geography.
अच्छा.
मतलब ये क्वेश्चन मुझे नहीं समझ आया. मतलब क्या पूछ रहे हो
नहीं,
आप?
मतलब
भाई ये
मतलब सिचुएशन क्वेश्चन ऐसा है कि बोलिविया ने वर्ल्ड कप क्वालिफायर में 4 मैच जीते, बट चारों घर पे जीते. उनके होम स्टेडियम की एक ऐसी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक है which automatically makes Bolivia the favorites when they play at home, जो बाकी कोई भी इंटरनेशनल टीम को वो एडवांटेज नहीं होती उनके होम स्टेडियम में.
अच्छा,
बेसिकली ये वो चक दे वाला सीन है, ऐसा मुझ में क्या है जो उसमें, कुछ मुझ में क्या नहीं है जो उसमें है.
I guess maybe it's something like कि उन दोनों के जो होम और अवे स्टैंड है, दोनों एंड पे की, मतलब उस पे गोल पोस्ट के पीछे दोनों उनके स्टैंड्स है, मतलब होम साइड वाले, ऐसा है. That's my answer.
चले गए.
अरे
गन्ना सा दिखा मैंने.
आंसर सुन के डिस्कनेक्ट हो गए भाई. ये क्या सुन लिया मैंने.
I quit लिख दिया आज, मुझे लग रहा है ये तो वाला पॉइंट.
तब से 3 इडियट्स हो गया हम लोग.
ये वो वाला मीम है ब्रदर.
Brother, what's that? What's that, brother?
किया था कि मतलब what my thought process is कि जो दोनों गोल पोस्ट से उसके पीछे दोनों में मतलब होम स्टैंड हो गया, मतलब जैसे कॉप एंड है सर, जिसमें सिर्फ लिवरपूल के फैंस होते हैं, वैसे उनके
अच्छा.
दोनों गोल पोस्ट के पीछे उनकी होम फैंस हो गए, ऐसा कुछ हो.
Very, very interesting, but no.
नहीं, अच्छा.
दिव्यार्जन
दिव्यार्जन भाई की बात
I'm
है
just
तो
making a guess. आपने geography कहा ना, तो I'm just making a guess कि cold weather या something like that, maybe something in mountains या ऐसा, that gives them one.
can you refine the answer a bit?
Maybe
You're on the
something
right
cold
track.
weather या something, related to mountain or snow, maybe something like that.
Okay, I'll give it to you. It's the altitude. The
Oh
high
yeah,
altitude that they have
oh,
They're
played.
like
this is the
they are
story.
like
yeah,
3,600 meters above sea level.
Yeah,
yeah.
exactly.
Oh,
Somewhat like that. So
वो
Brazil के
लद्दाख
players आप
वाला
देख
stuff,
सकते हैं after playing
लद्दाख,
there, they had to be connected to
yeah,
oxygen.
fuck.
yeah,
अच्छा
yeah.
Neymar had posted this picture on his Instagram.
Yeah,
अच्छा
yeah. Because
Yeah.
why I'll tell you my thought process, because मुझे लगा वर्ल्ड कप है ना, तो उसमें साउथ अमेरिकन और हीट, मतलब जो
Hmm.
हॉट एरिया वाले जो कंट्रीज हैं वो ज्यादा आते होंगे, तो दे हैव अ
हाँ.
probably
The
Yeah,
mountain.
they
country
are not used to playing.
Bolivia
I took that
Bolivia
guess.
Bolivia normally is a hot country, but in
Oh,
this ये जो stadium इनका है ना, the air is very thin on top.
Yes. Yes.
So these people get gassed. Plot twist: Brazil actually won this game.
oh
oh, that's quite some knowledge. Yeah.
Yeah, that's crazy knowledge, bro. Even I didn't know this.
Is that Ali? Yeah.
It is Paulinho, I think.
That
Looks
is
like
that
it.
is
No, that's
Paulinho.
Allison in purple, no?
In
Yeah,
purple,
it
that's
is
Allison.
Allison.
Yeah.
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 ठीक है
So next
next
question
question
is
answer.
for Delvin. So as a child, X trained at FC Barcelona, but later he gave up on his dream of becoming a footballer when he
This is
learned that
Leander
it would.
Paes. Leander Paes.
Okay. That was fast. It is the end of this.
ठीक है
Yeah.
I
Tennis
didn't know.
bronze. Tennis
I think we
bronze.
know who is winning this halfway down.
Yeah.
हाफ वही कोई नहीं फर्स्ट हाफ है कोई नहीं
Yeah.
ऐसे
We
question एक
can
बार
turn it around. Yeah.
as a child
Yeah, question. I'll read the question once. So he had trained with FC Barcelona, but they told him that he had to give up his Indian passport to have a better chance at a career in Europe because India ka ranking low tha, so he would not have been able to get a work permit in most of the European countries.
Interesting.
So basically, he gave up on football and then chose tennis and went on to do
Oh.
great things for India.
BCCI destroyed his career. Anyway.
So this is for Darshan. So आपको बताना है कि ये किसने बोला है. If I had to choose between dribbling past 5 players and scoring from 40 yards at Anfield or spending the night with Miss World, it would be a tough decision. But luckily, I have done both.
Ooh.
Luckily, I have done both. वैसा है.
I think I.
हाँ, दोनों किया भाई ने. Getting the best of both worlds.
I see what you did there,
दिव्यांजन कब
Prathamesh.
से कुछ ऐसा कर रहा है मतलब क्या क्या है भाई फिर से कर दो तो मुझे
I got this. I seen what you did there. I seen what you did there. And I'll tell you, well fucking played. Well played, buddy. Well played.
यार 40 यार्ड से गोल मारना और मिस वर्ल्ड के साथ
आप
क्या
40
करना?
यार्ड पे फोकस मत करो, आप स्टेडियम के नाम पे फोकस करो, आपको आंसर मिल जाएगा.
अच्छा एनफील्ड पे हो तो भाई किंग कैनी.
No, not King Kenny.
नहीं यार वो तो बहुत बुरा आंसर था. चलो
कोई बात नहीं.
मुझे लगा डेल्विन एनफील्ड बोला ना तो शायद ओके भाई आप कह लो ना स्टैन वेंड में नाम है तो इसलिए मैंने किंग.
Anfield in a different sense.
नहीं अब तो मेरा गलत हो गया तो अब अनुकर्ष
हाँ, गलत हो गया.
I
अनुकर्ष.
am thinking it's Zlatan, but I don't think Zlatan also. But
No, Zlatan नहीं. Not Zlatan. Division.
Is it Cantona?
It is not Cantona.
Oh
Then when
shit.
it comes to you.
Shit.
This is one part of the Holy Trinity. He's the fifth Beatle.
Best.
He's George Best.
It is George Best.
I was confused between Cantona and Best.
I even said that getting the best of both worlds.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
that was
yeah.
actually a hint.
Yeah. You gave it.
Oh, okay. YouTube पे बैन होने वाले हैं हम कोई बात नहीं. Anyway.
It's okay.
So, ये वाला जाता है फिर से दर्शन भाई को.
Yeah.
So while Platini, as we saw, he played for 2 nations. This is Dejan Stankovic. He played for 3. So you have to name all the 3. If you know one,
भाई
you'll know all the 3.
ये 3 के लिए खेला है ऐसा है।
Yes.
पहला तो मैं गैस कर रहा हूँ सिर्फ उसके नाम से, भाई क्रोएशिया तो होगा क्योंकि वो विच है तो शायद होगा। सच में भाई मुझे नहीं पता, मगर मैं गैस कर रहा हूँ क्रोएशिया।
I love that.
एक तो क्रोएशिया हो गया, अब वहाँ के लोग अब दूसरे कहाँ खेलते हैं, मतलब आसपास में शायद इटली, क्योंकि
Okay. And third one?
वन क्रोएशिया, स्पेन, वहाँ के ही आसपास के
Okay.
तीनों के नाम कर दो।
Unfortunately, none of them are correct, but you were on the right path thinking about the name Stankovic.
ठीक है, आपने दर्शन भाई ने कौन कौन सा आंसर्स किया अभी? एक तो अपना वो हो गया
There was
क्रोएशिया,
Italy, there
Croatia,
was
Italy, and
Croatia.
I
Spain.
also thought it's
Yeah.
Croatia.
क्रोएशिया, इटली और तीसरा कौन सा है?
Spain.
Spain बोला था।
इनमें से
तो
तीनों कोई
नाम
भी
का
नहीं।
लॉजिक करेक्ट था, लेकिन इनमें से कोई करेक्ट नहीं।
ठीक है, my answers are Ukraine
Okay.
and
Second one.
Bosnia and Herzegovina जो है,
Okay.
and which Croatia, I'll say Italy नहीं हुआ है ना, इटली हो गया। I'll say France in that case. I think.
Okay. Unfortunately, you were also close, but none of them are correct. Divergent, it comes to you.
I'll just have a blind guess. Thankfully, a few eliminations happened. So honestly, Czech maybe, Czech Republic.
Okay.
Or,
Okay.
what is else? France has been there, Italy has been there, Spain has been there, Czech Republic, and I think Georgia?
Okay.
Yeah, Czech, Georgia, and okay, I'll go with Russia also. Just another guess.
Okay. No,
Yeah.
none
Yeah.
of these either.
Yeah, quite a good question.
Delvin?
पहला कहाँ है
Okay.
वो?
Okay, so first and foremost, let's get the most obvious one out of the way. He's a Serbian international. So he's Serbian. One country is Serbia. The other one is Albania. And the third one is Kosovo.
Okay, very good guess, by the way, and good geography knowledge also. Serbia is
David
correct,
Will?
so you get +3 for that.
बाकी दो कौन से तो?
So,
अच्छा,
हाँ, so hint,
मुझे आएगा ऐसा?
so the hint, yeah,
ठीक है।
which was then
It's
broken down into parts. So basically, he was playing for the same country, but वो बड़ा country था, उसको parts में बटा गया था. So उसके वजह से वो नाम change होता गया उस country का. Like basically think about like USSR, which was then turned into Russia, like that.
अच्छा, तुमने कौन सा बोला?
मैंने बोला सर्बिया जो करेक्ट है,
सर्बिया।
उसके अलावा मैंने बोला अल्बानिया और कोसोवो जो गलत है।
यूक्रेन आ गया है क्या? किसी ने बोला?
दिव्यार्जुन अरुगर सॉरी। By the way, check private message guys of the stream.
हाँ, मैंने वो
that's
भाई क्या ही मैं बोलूं।
मैं देख लिया था पर तुम लोगों को बताया नहीं, मुझे सबको मूड ऑफ हो जाएगा, इसलिए मैं देखा है like यार I didn't tell anyone. I was like you guys just get upset. मैं कुछ क्या बताऊंगा लास्ट में।
मैं चेक के साथ जाता हूँ, चेक रिपब्लिक।
एक और
दूसरा भाई चलेगा मुझे। अभी 3 पॉइंट के लिए मैं लड़ रहा हूँ, कोई बात नहीं।
Okay.
So क्या बोला आपने? चेक और
चेक रिपब्लिक बोला।
Only Czech.
Okay, Czech Republic is not correct. So Anukash, you have to give it
I'll
for
just
the other two.
say एस्टोनिया एंड साइप्रस के बारे में दिमाग में, बट हाँ एस्टोनिया तो लग रहा है
नहीं।
मुझे। नहीं
नहीं, no, not
यार आज
Estonia and
क्या
Cyprus.
क्या भाई, आज तो मतलब ट्रांसफर डेडलाइन डे तो बड़ा ज्यादा है। Anyway,
So Divyarjan.
Just a wild guess again. Geography. Yugoslavia.
Has to be. अरे बाप
क्योंकि ईस्टर्न यूरोप में टूटा वही था ना, यूगोस्लाविया।
Yes, Yugoslavia is correct. And other one?
The hint is right there. You can get the third one also.
Czechoslovakia, Czech, Yugoslavia, and third country. Was it divided into 3 or 2?
It was divided into multiple, but this
Multiple.
particular, multiple parts.
Yeah, so Yugoslavia and
I think I'll just pass it. Just wild guess.
Okay.
Yeah,
okay. So
Georgia again.
Kelvin, for the last
So
one. Yugoslavia is
it's-
correct, by the way.
So it's Serbia, Yugoslavia, and obviously the third one then becomes Montenegro.
Oh no.
Yeah,
not-
as in it was called Serbia and Montenegro together.
Yeah, exactly.
Before it broken
Yeah.
down into Serbia.
Yeah.
So the
Oh,
first one was
okay.
Yugoslavia. It broken down into multiple countries like Croatia.
Because
Albania,
I remember
also.
Czech was called Czechoslovakia, na? So it was.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
अच्छा हाँ राइट।
Yeah.
हाँ
So it
इसलिए
was
तो मैंने चेक
Yugoslavia.
बोला ना, मुझे लगा
दिखाओ आंसर्स।
Yeah. मुझे भी चेक ही
Yes,
लगा
yes, yes.
एक्चुअली।
हाँ
हाँ, दिखा दे।
ओह,
these
ये
are-
बहुत सही किया आपने। ये तो केबीसी वाला
हाँ
आपने।
ये कब कहाँ मैं हम याद
सही है यार। हाँ
डिफिकल्ट है भाई ये।
ठीक है।
So Delvin gets
ईस्टर्न
plus
यूरोपियन
6.
बड़ा अलग ही लेवल ऑफ वो है, कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी।
Balkans बहुत complicated history है।
एक्चुअली वो ऑस्ट्रिया भी वो सब कुछ नजदीक ही है तो
हाँ, हंगरी भी पास है।
हाँ
ठीक है, तो एक बार पॉइंट्स बता दो मुझे। मेरे बताए मेरे, आई हैवंट स्टार्टेड बट
हाँ,
वैसे पॉइंट्स बता दो।
Points are Delvin is on 56.
भाई
the quiz.
साहब
Divyarjan is on 23. Darshan on 20 and Anukash is
is yet to start. Yes, not
Hey,
easy to
well
play
said.
here.
come on Anukash, let's go.
बिल्कुल मैन
ये
सिटी
क्वेश्चन
वाला।
मेरे लिए है।
नहीं, it is for Darshan, उसके बाद आपके लिए।
ठीक है।
So Darshan, you have to basically identify the two kids. So this picture was taken at a youth team game between Manhattan Kickers and Charlton Athletic. So ये दो जो बंदे आगे खड़े हैं वो बताना है, रेड और ब्लैक में। पीछे वाले को छोड़ दो, वो मुझे
Oh,
बताना है।
alright.
एक तो चार्ल्टन का है ना।
हाँ,
और दूसरा क्लब कौन सा है?
No,
Manhattan
Kickers, but
Manhattan Kickers. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. I think थोड़ा इजी है ये।
हाँ
ध्यान से देखो।
ये जो गोमस तो नहीं है क्या भाई?
For one, I will give part points plus 5. So Joe Gomez is correct. Second one.
यार मुझे लग रहा था दर्शन भाई छोड़ दे स्टार्ट तो मेरा। I was like यार प्लीज दर्शन भाई मत बोलो।
ये दूसरा वाला है ना, थोड़ा ज्यादा वो कॉन्फिडेंट लग रहा है बंदा, तो जूम वूम कर सकते तो ज्यादा मजा लेता। मगर
जूम कर सकते हैं।
देखा हुआ तो लग रहा है ये बंदा।
हाँ
Definitely देखा हुआ है भाई, सबने देखा हुआ है इसको।
हाँ ये डेक्लन राइस जैसा लग रहा है मगर नहीं शायद।
डेक्लन राइस नहीं है। अनुकाश, can you get it?
जो बस पता था मुझे बट हाँ ठीक है। क्लब कौन सा बताया फिर से बताना। एमसी का नाम बताया।
मैनहट्टन किकर्स।
बिल्कुल हेल्प नहीं कर रहा। ठीक है ओके।
अमेरिकन।
मैनहट्टन किकर्स अमेरिकन। क्रिस्टियन पुलिसिच।
हाँ अगर अमेरिकन है तो वही होगा ना।
हाँ Pulisic.
दूसरा तो
कौन? Pulisic नहीं,
Pulisic.
not Pulisic,
भाई
अच्छा।
साहब,
not Pulisic.
not Pulisic, हाँ.
Diversion.
Mount and Gomez, I think.
It looks very similar to Mason Mount,
हाँ.
but it's not Mason
He
Mount.
does. वो है, मुझे भी लग रहा था. एज डिफरेंस है ना, इसलिए मैंने बोला नहीं होगा.
डेल्विन का पॉइंट है ना, डेल्विन का बारी है ना.
हाँ,
I think
Delvin.
Mount और Rice की साथ में है फोटो. I confuse it maybe. Mount and Rice है.
अच्छा.
Yeah.
Yeah,
But
both of
Mount-
them were at Chelsea.
But Mount,
Jude and-
both Chelsea academy players.
हाँ.
Manhattan Kickers. Let's see, Manhattan, New York. It's not Pulisic. How old is Joe Gomez, by the way?
29.
I think
29.
29, yeah.
Age profile के हिसाब से ये तो Pulisic looked most likely. This
Delvin
guy-
thinks like a proper quizzer.
Yeah.
Great line of thought.
Had Delvin given that 3 countries, I would have thought it's Delvin AI.
29-year-old American. 29-year-old American.
हम सभी का गलत हो गया ना कि
हाँ.
डेल्विन अभी तुम्हारा बाकी है ना.
हाँ, मेरा बाकी है. हाँ.
सही है, मैंने गोमस बोल दिया.
Back with me.
हाँ भाई.
My also guess was
But Gomez
Pulisic
hasn't
was
changed
better.
much.
No, he hasn't.
weird
Makes
आया
it very,
हुआ है.
makes it very easy to recognize.
Yeah.
And also the Charlton Athletic gives it away.
Yeah.
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 Youth में हुआ था ना transfer.
Yes.
हाँ.
I'll just
17 or something like that.
I genuinely have no idea about this. I've rang my head about a lot. Is this Giovanni Reina?
No, not
I
Giovanni.
think
Fair,
hair color
fair,
blonde
fair.
नहीं है ना उसका. हाँ.
Yeah, so
Fair,
let's
fair.
take a hint and let's
हाँ.
go to Darshan. So hint is that this guy is currently not a footballer.
Whoa,
Oh,
what?
I'll also go ahead and say he's an actor.
Oh,
He's an actor.
Yeah. So Darshan,
that's very interesting.
एक्टर है ये.
a very famous actor indeed.
29, 30 profile actor.
No. Please don't. If I am thinking who this guy is, no, it can't be, dude. It can't.
Does everyone agree on giving another hint, or shall we go ahead with the?
एक और
anyone
दे
has
सकते
guessed,
हैं.
then I'll vote
Hint
him.
दे दो.
नहीं
Hint
हिंट
दे
दे
दो.
दो आप. हाँ.
हाँ.
A French American actor.
Bruh, seriously, bruh.
बोल दो भाई, डेल्विन को दे दो भाई. डेल्विन क्या है आंसर भाई, कोई बात.
हाँ, आप बता रहे थे.
Is this really Timothy Chalamet?
It is Timothy Chalamet.
Fuck, are you
Oh,
serious?
Yeah. Now it
Yes, it is Timothy Chalamet.
Yeah.
Lisa Nalgai.
ये वो है ना उसमें.
Dune. Lisa Nalgai.
Yeah. Dune वाला बंदा है.
Yeah.
मैं जोगो में ही पता था वैसे, बट ठीक है.
हाँ, मैं तो भाई जो गोमस के साथ
Quite a coincidence. Yeah,
दूसरा
this one
joke
is really interesting.
ठीक
Yeah,
है.
Quite
this
a
is like a killer. This is like a
Darshan,
killer
again.
question, dude.
Yeah.
This is like a killer
हाँ, बहुत डिफिकल्ट था भाई, सच में.
Yeah. So Darshan, this is for you again. X is a Spanish singer whose father was a goalkeeper for Real Madrid's B team in the second division.
भाई साहब.
स्पेनिश सिंगर जिसके फादर.
I think I know this one.
Yeah. Think about how many Spanish singers you know. Like most people probably know only one Spanish singer, and it is that person.
Yeah.
Spanish. It's the same. It's that only guy. बाकी सारे तो Spanish. They are all Puerto Ricans, Cubans, Colombians, Venezuelans.
यार मुझे तो नहीं आ रहा है.
Okay, Anukash.
पास. जनरली वही
No?
नहीं पता मुझे.
Wild guess ले लो भाई.
I mean, I can say Enrique Iglesias, but I don't
Yeah.
It
think
is
so.
Enrique Iglesias.
It's Enrique.
It's-
Julio
That's
Iglesias and Enrique.
Yeah,
It's the
it
only
is Enrique. Anukash
he's
is
the-
off the mark. Let's go.
Let's go.
He's the only Spanish singer who is from Spain. Like
Yeah, all of them are from South America.
Yes,
I-
let's
because-
go.
I listen to a lot of Latin pop, like literally a lot of Latin pop. So
And probably the only one who has made the transition properly into the English. Like,
yeah. Most of them don't speak English.
Yeah.
The Latin artists. Nah. Bad Bunny recently has started, but apart from that, I don't
yeah.
know.
ये क्या है? अच्छा, final showdown. Okay.
So the
Okay,
final
so-
showdown is Anukash's favorite round. Guess the face.
ठीक है.
Okay. So we'll start with Divyarjun. You have to guess the player basically, and this one will carry plus 20. So like, and the scores can change drastically. Okay. So it's no longer plus
एक बार
10, plus
scores
5,
बता दो.
plus 20.
हाँ, एक बार
Yeah, can
scores
you
बता
give,
दो.
yeah. Can you give the scores?
Ah,
please?
yeah. Scores are Delvin is on 56, 61.
भाई साहब.
Darshan is on 30. And Anukash is on 10. Divyarjun is on 23.
ठीक है.
Yeah. So anything can happen now because it's plus 20 for this each question. So Divyarjun, you have to guess the player. Basically, guess the person.
Even with hints, the answer is it's worth 20 only, or
No, with hints it will reduce to plus 10.
Cool.
Oh.
Got it.
I think it looks quite similar with the eyes and jaw. I'll go with Lampard.
Yeah, it is Frank Lampard. Plus 20 to Divyarjun.
Lovely.
Just give me 1 second. I have to put the laptop
Yeah.
on charging.
By the way, interesting fact. How many of you know, like Frank Lampard was nephew of our Liverpool
Harry
manager.
Redknapp.
Yeah.
He's
Who?
Yeah.
Harry Redknapp's nephew.
Nephew.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
And he and Jamie Redknapp are cousins.
Acha.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Jamie Redknapp also played for Liverpool, huh?
Yeah. United and Liverpool.
Legend था.
अब तो commentary में legend.
He's doing well with commentary, to be fair to him.
Yeah. He's a fine commentary. Who is you guys' favorite commentator? Like on the proper, मतलब beside Peter Drury, because वो तो सभी का ही.
I enjoy McNamara.
Conor McNamara, yeah.
Yes. I
Yeah.
enjoy McNamara.
He had that first game में वो था ना लिवरपूल के Chiesa वाला का commentary. Chiesa was
He is-
commentated by
he-
Conor McNamara.
He is a Liverpool fan also.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Acha.
Yeah. McNamara is a Liverpool fan.
Yeah. I like Biglin also. Like he's.
Jim
Nah,
Beglin,
he's,
Yeah,
he's
yeah.
Jim Beglin.
I
After a
hate whom,
certain point,
I hate Martin Tyler.
Yeah, I love Biglin because I remember uska his name is famous because of that Julio Iglesias
Pes.
song. Begin with
Pes.
Begin.
and plus with PES also, the early PES, he and
Yeah.
John Champion used to commentate
John
together.
Yeah, he was also a Liverpool player, no? Like,
Beglin was,
Beglin.
yes. Jim
Yeah.
Beglin was.
yeah, he's very clear with his commentary. He has a good observation.
Yeah.
Next one.
Next question करूँ?
So Anukash? Yeah, yes, please. So next one will be for Delvin. So Delvin, who is this?
Bro, don't consider this as my answer, but if you look at it at first glance, this bugger looks like George Bush, dude.
To me, this looks like that Home Alone kid, but
Macaulay Culkin.
हाँ,
Sorry,
मुझे भी
minus
वही
20 for that.
yeah, Home Alone kid, yeah.
Minus
this-
20 for George Bush.
Hey. Is this better check?
ठीक है, only
No.
player guys. हाँ.
Not better check. Darshan?
यार ये सही होना चाहिए भाई, अभी तो पॉइंट्स की जरूरत है मुझे तो यार थोड़ा टाइम ले रहा हूँ, सॉरी मगर
आराम से भाई.
Is this a current or a former footballer? Give us that.
I think he's still playing. Not very sure, but I think he's playing. Yeah, he should be playing somewhere. I don't know where, but he's playing.
यार पता नहीं भाई मुझे, मैं गैस कर रहा हूँ ये कोई इंग्लिश प्लेयर के साथ मैं जा रहा हूँ.
Okay.
यार पता नहीं, मुझे केन लग रहा था, मगर अभी प्रथमेश बोल रहा था ना कि भाई उसको श्योर नहीं है वो खेल रहा है या नहीं. अगर केन होता तो वो बोलता कि भाई हाँ खेल रहा
clear
है.
हो
हाँ
जाता है।
हाँ.
हेयर स्टाइल तो
मतलब आप
वैसी
लोगों ने
लग-
बहुत सालों से इसको नहीं देखा होगा.
बहुत सालों से नहीं देखा होगा.
बहुत बड़ा स्टार भी नहीं था, but he was a good talent nonetheless.
बाकली है क्या भाई ये, मतलब अभी भी खेल रहा है, मगर अब क्या ही, मैं बाकली के साथ जाता हूँ. चलो कोई
नहीं,
बात
not Ross Barkley. अनुकश.
तो नहीं है. हिंट लेंगे तो 10 मतलब -10 हो जाएगी, ऐसा है, मतलब 10 मिलेगी अगर हुआ तो.
Plus
नहीं
10
नहीं
हो
सब
जाएगा.
वैसे तो मैं ही हिंट ले लेता ना अनुकश, ये क्या है. एक बार
नहीं,
सभी
नहीं.
के गलत हो जाए उसके
अच्छा.
बाद है हिंट ले सकते हैं.
ठीक है, ठीक है. fair enough. यार ये इवानोविच लग रहा है पर है नहीं, ऑब्वियसली आई गेस.
नहीं, इवानोविच नहीं है, लेकिन कोई मतलब उसी तरह के नाम में सोच सकते हो आप, दिव्यार्जन.
अच्छा
Ivanovic उसी टाइप
Not
का नाम.
exactly like that, but somewhat similar, you can say.
ब्लू आईज है, थोड़ा रशियन टाइप का भी लग रहा है लुक. स्कूल की ड्रेस पहनी है पूरी इन्होंने.
हाँ, इंग्लिश होता तो ऐसा ऐसे नहीं खड़ा होता.
हाँ.
ठीक है.
वोडका की बोतल दे दो, रशियन लड़का हो जाएगा ये पूरा बराबर.
I don't know. Wild guess. PK.
No.
Yeah.
You guys are getting closer, by the way.
Yeah.
It goes to Delvin. So और hint दे दूं अभी, एक round complete हो गया ना?
हाँ
हाँ.
Yeah. So the hint is that he is the cousin of one of Argentina's greatest footballers.
अच्छा, ठीक है. I
ये
think I
मैसी,
know what is-
ये उसका कजिन है, ऐसा है क्या?
Cousin है. ये नहीं बोल रहा कि ये अर्जेंटीना से है, लेकिन वो उसका cousin है.
Is this it Boyan?
It is Bojan Krkić.
Oh.
अनुकश को आने वाला था.
Spanish ही है ये. Yeah.
Yeah, Spanish है.
हम्म.
Think Serbian कुछ है,
बहुत-
I think, I guess, ethnic.
हाँ.
Decent. So plus
used to
10
call-
to
They used
Delvin.
to,
Very
they used
tough
to
one.
call him. They used to call him Baby Messi also for a certain.
Yeah.
He
He
was the first
हाँ.
player who was
Yeah.
termed the
He was
next.
Yamal before
Yes,
Yamal.
yes.
He was the very first player who was
Hmm.
named like next Messi.
Yeah. But the
Yeah.
funny thing was कि people say they brag about it that Messi was just 23 when it was called the next Messi.
Actually,
Yeah.
like Messi was regarded as the
Yeah.
goat.
He wasn't
even
hitting
at
even his
23.
prime. Yeah.
Yeah.
हाँ, मगर नेक्स्ट कर्टिस जोन्स जैसा तो अभी देखो अभी वो तो
So दर्शन भाई ये कौन है बता दो.
अरे भाई
यार थोड़ा सा
क्या आना
hint तो
चाहिए?
कहाँ?
हाँ थोड़ा सा तो बता सकते हो भाई.
Because बोयान वाला तो यार it was very वो मतलब I think कितना वो 10,000 in a one chance था कि कोई
हाँ. So ये वाला like most of you should know.
Oh.
Oh.
A majority
वो अच्छा है.
of very
Shocker होगा ये.
80% of you all us should know.
अच्छा, at least give us current or former.
Current, very current.
Very current.
Very
Like
correct.
basically मुझे बहुत पसंद है ये प्लेयर. If you've seen my posts, then mostly like at least 2 out of 5 posts are about this guy.
Oh my god.
यार
You got this, Divyanjan?
Oh my god. Thank God.
me
it's
too
not-
I think me too यार. किसका है? दर्शन भाई का है?
दर्शन भाई का है,
नूनेज
उसके
है भाई,
बाद
नूनेज.
बहुत बढ़िया
हाँ,
दर्शन
डार्विन
भाई का।
नूनेज
Thank
है.
God you didn't miss this one.
Darwin Nunes.
प्रथमेश
नूनेज
भाई you
मुझे भी
said 2
पसंद है
out of
भाई.
5 posts. हाँ यार
डार्विन
nice,
जी.
nice.
ये थोड़ा
तो-
लग भी रहा है डार्विन नूनेज जैसा भाई. मतलब
हाँ,
वही है मगर लग भी रहा था.
plus
मैं ना
20.
थोड़ा
When he said na
नूनेज बोलने में
80%
कतरा
of you will know, I know Liverpool player है.
हाँ, so let's go through the scores before we go to the last one. So Delvin is on
ठीक है.
71,
Darshan
Darshan is on 50,
Oh,
Anukash on 10, and Divyarjun is on 43.
ठीक है.
So
Next up,
actually Anukash भाई आप like बहुत अनलकी हो कि जो इजी क्वेश्चंस थे वो आपके पहले फिनिश हो गए और आपके डायरेक्ट मोस्टली लाइक डिफिकल्ट वंस
कोई नहीं come back.
Yeah,
Next
so
up.
this one is direct for you. Okay, so the next one is direct for you now.
ठीक है.
अरे भाई साहब,
भाई
black and white.
So इसको थोड़ा सा हिंट दे दूंगा मैं. So
Uh-huh.
this guy, like he was a great player, but we know him better as a great manager.
अच्छा.
I ये नागल्समैन है?
No,
नहीं.
थोड़ा पुराना
Okay.
पिक्चर है वो.
Is it open for all?
Yeah.
No, it's after Anukash, it's for you now.
Yeah,
for
it's yours now.
These two are same guy?
you. Same person.
Is it Wenger?
No, not Wenger.
This is Zizou, no?
No, not Zizou. No. Darshan.
Oh shit.
पुराना मतलब कितना पुराना?
Now I get it. Now I get
ये
it.
सकते हो भाई.
Now I
हाँ?
get it. Now I get it.
पुराना मतलब कितना पुराना? मतलब वो आप अभी
Oh, okay.
I can give one hint and I think it will be gone in one hint only.
Yeah. I got
No.
it too. I got it too.
Darshan, let Darshan take a guess first.
यार पुराना मैनेजर.
फोटो ध्यान से देखो.
मैं कार्लो के साथ जा रहा हूँ.
Yeah, Carlo Ancelotti is correct. It is Don Carlo.
इस वक्त आईब्रो सीधा है इनका बट
हाँ. थोड़ा है ना
Those are
मुझे
potential.
गोल इसमें मुझे लगा कि कौन है भाई गोल फेस में. फिर मैं-
Second
I think the
photo
smile
में
gave it
थोड़ा
away.
ज्यादा
वो जो हंस
clearly
रहे हैं ना
Carlo
side
जैसा
में,
लग रहा है.
smile gave it away.
Yeah.
So I think we've had the most competitive quiz till now for the first place. So we have Delvin winning with just 1 point with 71.
भाई
And we had Darshan on
ये दर्शन
70.
भाई के FPL वाली बात हो गई.
ये भाई
So
लिवरपूल
वो-
जैसा हो गया, 1 पॉइंट से हार गए वाली.
हाँ, सिटी और
हाँ.
लिवरपूल जैसा. एटलीस्ट मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड कहीं पे तो जीत रहे भाई.
भाई 2 बार से जीत रही यूनाइटेड. हाँ.
Also great debut by Divyarjun by the way on 43.
और अनुकुश भाई
Unlucky.
अनलकी.
भाई डम एंड डम्बर हो
All
रहा
I
है.
can think about
पहली
is
बार
that-
बॉटल कर दी थी तब से.
लुकास लेवा वाला वो मीम याद आ जाता है, अनलकी.
वही ना, मैं वही बोला अंदर।
But amazing questions यार, बड़े अच्छे questions
Yeah,
थे।
lovely
हाँ,
questions.
very well
Yeah,
researched.
thanks guys.
Very well.
इस बार
तो बेसिकली अनुपज के साथ क्या हुआ कि दर्शन भाई और डेल्विन ने मोस्टली मोस्ट ऑफ द डिटेक्ट्स आंसर कर दिए, सो आपको बस डिफिकल्ट वाले पास ऑन हो जाते थे।
कोई नहीं, next time. But yeah, very good segment. Yeah. Questions are very good. I have to say this.
The Mathi one was very
Yes.
good.
Yeah.
तो
Yeah,
डेविन
Timothy
भाई
Chalamet,
ने
I did not expect anyone to get that actually on the first
Yeah.
attempt. जो गोमेज तो सबको आ जाता, वो मुझे पता था।
Yeah.
हाँ,
मैं भी wild guess था Cole Sprouse बोल देता, but Timothy तो आया ही नहीं।
Yeah, Cole Sprouse, हाँ, वो उसकी तरह भी लग रहा है
Yeah.
थोड़ा। Actually मेसन माउंट की तरह
हाँ,
एक्चुअली लग रहा था वो फोटो में।
I got confused with Rice and Mason Mount क्योंकि ऐसा मुझे ऐसा लगा कि बचपन की
हाँ।
फोटो देखी है दोनों की इकट्ठे।
हाँ,
मैंने
दोनों
इसलिए
साथ में थे।
वो राइस का नाम बोला ना, मुझे लगा कि डेक्लन राइस वो भी
Then
28
Musiala and Jude are also like friends बचपन का। Musiala and Jude
Yes,
हाँ.
yes.
Yeah,
Roommates
yeah.
also.
roommates,
also.
yeah. Yeah. Chelsea youth.
चलो भाई,
Anyway,
तो फिर
ठीक है।
great
4
So-
letters.
so-
I just want to say 4 letters, 1 word.
Anyway, so this was a great quiz segment. Thank you guys for joining in. Thank you so much, Prathamesh
Yes.
bhai, for hosting it
Thank
so
you,
well. And
thank you.
thank you so much to the winner, हमारे डेल्विन भाई। डेल्विन भाई का थोड़ा टाइम स्केड्यूल आगे पीछे हो रहा था, but he made it a point, and I know all of you had to postpone it because of me. So thank you guys for joining in. I know quiz को हमें एक दिन थोड़ा लेट करना पड़ा. So thank you so much for cooperating, and we look forward to having you next time. मैं ऐसे हमेशा जिताऊंगा नहीं तुम लोगों को. Just kidding, but yeah, of course. But yeah, it was great having you all, and thank you so much. And guys, please do like this video, share this video, comment, and do subscribe to the Indie Football Podcast. डेल्विन भाई के जो भी अपना वो कंटेंट डालते हैं इंस्टाग्राम पे आजकल, डेल्विन भाई थोड़ा बता सकते हो आप किसके लिए होस्ट करते हो, थोड़ा सा you can just share a bit.
Yes, sure. So I work for a company called Sports Covery, guys, and my videos go on YouTube and Instagram. On YouTube, the channel's name is Sports Covery. On Instagram, it goes on Sports Covery, but in collaboration with my personal account. So you all can go ahead and give that a look. And if you all like it, do follow, do subscribe, do like, and do share. As always.
Yeah, and likewise दर्शन भाई जो है हमारे, उनका तो like of course he is another person who doesn't need any introduction. That Liverpool guy is very famous. 4000 अभी सब्सक्राइबर पूरे हुए YouTube पे, so congratulations दर्शन भाई for that. And Instagram पे 8000 कुछ टाइम पहले ही खत्म किए, so like he has done a great job. So guys, please go there, do subscribe there, follow there, and दिव्यार्जन भाई आप भी थोड़ा सा अपने बारे में बता दो, और फुटबॉल ओपिनियन को जानते हैं लोग ऑफ कोर्स एज प्रथमेश भाई, प्लीज गो टू हिज चैनल. बट हाँ, मैं इतना ही बोलूंगा, प्रथमेश भाई के लिवरपूल ओपिनियन चैनल भी है, गैलेटासरे वाला पेज भी है, गो एंड फॉलो देयर आल्सो ऑन इंस्टाग्राम. एंड या दिव्यार्जन भाई, like if you want to like say anything.
Hi, I'm also a Liverpool fan, and I also have an Instagram channel. So I post there art and general my architecture related stuff. I'm an architect, so
Nice.
Oh wow,
I'm a practicing architect.
Very
Yeah, so I have my own firm. I make houses in hills, and I sell
Amazing.
houses also. Yeah, so I live
brilliant,
near
man.
Corbett.
Brilliant.
So if any one of you kabhi come near Corbett, visit my farm, and it'll be delighted to have a watch along, and nice having company here, and I'm grateful to be here. Thank you, Prathamesh bhai,
Yeah.
for inviting me, and
Yeah, absolutely,
Anukash
bro.
bhai.
Thank you for
And
coming.
it's been a
Thank you for
pleasure.
joining us.
Yeah, it's
By the
been
way,
a pleasure.
दिव्यार्जन
अगर
के
आप-
मैं stories
Invite.
देखता हूँ Instagram पे, like always it's like either a great architecture post or it's like a scenic view. Like उत्तराखंड का, like जो basically उनके जो भी stories होते हैं, like उसमें like always like about some beautiful mountains or something.
Yeah.
You're
अच्छा
always
है भाई,
invited.
जुबी मंडी नहीं देख रहा, वरना जुबी मंडी भी आ जाता भाई.
yeah. बस sadly फिर लिवरपूल के नहीं चल पाता वो.
Yeah.
कोई नहीं.
Yeah,
So, as I end this segment, I do want to say कि अगर आपको घर बनवाना है तो इसी पैनल में एक सिविल इंजीनियर भी है बहुत बढ़िया, दर्शन भाई के फॉर्म में, और एक बहुत ही बढ़िया आर्किटेक्ट भी है. So yeah, you know where HDFC home loans are going. So yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much guys for joining. And we look forward to more such episodes and having you all on the Indie Football Podcast. Thank you.